Hey y'all, how you doing? If you love colors, you're gonna stop loving them today because we are about to mess with these colors even more. Because the traditional pure thing here is black, not white. So you gotta reverse your brain wires here to understand today's video. 'Cause I certainly did, hopefully. Step 31. We gonna learn tertiary colors, which is created by combining a primary with a nearby secondary color. By nearby, we mean literally nearby. Today we're gonna be doing lots of unnecessary color changes to our marker, just to learn about different colors. So here's our first task. Let's change our first markers red to max, green to 127, and blue to 0. Lighter green means not very strong version of green in the dark room. Think you are mixing red and yellow. Hope it makes sense to you. And to me. Step 32. Okay, since we successfully changed first marker to orange just to learn how to turn it into orange. Next we're gonna learn how to turn our second marker into spring green by combining cyan with green. Just keep the green maxed out as it is and lower the intensity of blue to 127. That means you are mixing RGB green with very, very light, almost weak version of blue. You get me? You might be thinking lowering intensity of a color can make it darker. But no. It's like mixing colored flashlight in dark room on a white screen, not actual color. I guess we are messing with our brains more than messing with the colors. But hopefully we'll learn it soon. Step 33. Now we're gonna turn our third marker to violet by maxing out blue and lowering intensity of red to 127. Step 34. It's the time to learn 3 more tertiary colors. Let's turn our first marker to chartreuse green by setting red at 127 and maxed out green. Second marker to azure by setting green at 127 and maxed out blue. Third marker to rose/bright pink by setting its blue at 127 and maxed out red. Step 35. Well, they're hoping that we totally understand primary, secondary, and tertiary color theory concepts and how they impact design. Now they want us to turn all 3 marker to black again so that we start with the pure form again. Change all values back to 0. Step 36. Now let's learn about a new thing called complementary colors. 2 colors that are opposite from each other on the color wheel are called complementary colors. In RGB, if 2 complementary colors are combined, they produce gray. But if they are placed side by side, these colors produce strong visual contrast and appear brighter. I'm pretty sure you don't want to do that. We don't want our user hate our webpage, do we? To give you a little taste of it, let's turn first marker to maxed out red and second marker to maxed out green and blue to produce cyan color. Now watch both markers together. Very distracting, right? Step 37. The contrast of the first 2 marker colors can make the text hard to read if it's placed on a complementary colored background. Let's turn our H1 text to cyan by maxing out green and blue. Step 38. Now let's change first marker to black and second marker to red. Now you know why it's the best practice to choose one color as the dominant color and use its complementary color as an accent to bring attention to certain content on the page. Our eyes are naturally drawn to red. Step 39. We can use this attention drawing effect trick to draw attention to important headings, buttons, links, etc. Let's learn few more combinations later. But now let's turn our second marker to black again. Step 40. Let's turn our text H1 background color to default white color again by removing the whole background color property. Okay guys, never worry about these colors and their recipe. There's always Google or ChatGPT to help you out. You just need to know what color combinations are aesthetically appealing and easy on eyes. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you in the next one.